Have you ever looked at algebra and thought, quote, "This looks like a foreign language," unquote? You're not alone. Most people see letters mixed with numbers and immediately feel overwhelmed, thinking they need some special math gene to understand it. But here's the truth. You've been doing algebraic thinking your entire life without even realizing it. Let me paint a picture. You're at the grocery store and you have $20. You want to buy some apples that cost $3 per bag. Without thinking, your brain automatically calculates, how many bags can I afford? That mental process, that problem-solving approach, is pure algebraic thinking. You just did it without the scary symbols. Here's what I discovered that changed everything. Algebra isn't about complex formulas. It's simply a way to solve puzzles using logical steps. And the best part? You can master the basics in just 15 minutes a day using what I call the puzzle-solving method. Let me break this down into 4 simple steps that will transform how you see algebra forever. Step 1. Think in questions, not equations. Instead of seeing x plus 3 equals 7, ask yourself, what number plus 3 gives me 7? Your brain naturally wants to solve puzzles. We're just giving it a framework. This works because our minds are wired for pattern recognition. When you frame algebra as questions, you activate the same mental processes you use for everyday problem solving. The benefit? Math stops feeling foreign and starts feeling familiar. Step 2. Use real-world substitutions. Replace those intimidating letters with actual things you care about. If x represents hours of Netflix, suddenly x plus 2 equals 5 becomes hours of Netflix plus 2 extra hours equals 5 total hours. How many hours did I watch Netflix? The psychology here is powerful. When we connect abstract concepts to concrete experiences, our brains create stronger neural pathways. This makes the information stick better and feel more meaningful. Step 3. Work backwards from the answer. If you know the final result, trace your steps in reverse. This mirrors how detectives solve cases or how you figure out what time to leave for an appointment. Our brains excel at reverse engineering. This approach builds confidence because you're starting from a known endpoint and working toward the unknown. It feels less intimidating and more like solving a mystery. Step 4. Practice with story problems that matter to you. Whether it's calculating how much money you'll save, figuring out cooking portions, or planning travel time, use scenarios from your actual life. When learning connects to personal relevance, retention increases by up to 300%, according to educational research. Plus, you'll start recognizing algebraic patterns everywhere in your daily routine. Now, I'll be honest. When I first tried this approach, I was skeptical. I thought, there's no way something this simple can work for real algebra. But after just 2 weeks of 15-minute daily practice sessions, something clicked. My sister noticed first. She said, quote, "You're explaining math problems differently now, like you actually get it," unquote. Within a month, I was helping my nephew with his homework, something I never thought I'd be able to do. Friends started asking me to explain concepts they were struggling with. The confidence boost was incredible, but more importantly, I realized that algebraic thinking had improved my problem-solving skills in other areas too. Here's my challenge for you. Commit to practicing this puzzle-solving approach for just 10 minutes each day for the next 2 weeks. Start with simple questions like, what number plus 5 equals 12? Then gradually work up to slightly more complex scenarios using things you actually care about. The beautiful truth about learning is this. Every expert was once a beginner who refused to give up. Your brain is already equipped with everything you need to understand algebra. You just need the right approach to unlock it. Small, consistent steps create extraordinary transformations. Today could be the day you stop avoiding math and start embracing your natural problem-solving abilities.